There are many products available to choose Dutch ovens, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Dutch ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven. With wide looped handles, tough as nails enamel, and a broad searing surface, it was no surprise our longtime winner from Le Creuset came out on top again. It's quick to heat, gets a deep, burnished crust on meats, and the sturdy enamel fends off dings and scratches. Enameled cast iron delivers superior heat distribution and retention. Ready to use, requires no seasoning. Easy to clean and durable enamel resists dulling, staining, chipping, and cracking. Light-colored smooth interior enamel allows easy monitoring of cooking progress. Number 2. Staub Cast Iron Round Cocotte. This hefty offering from Staub has a wide interior surface area and deeply seared pork in my tests. While the handles are smaller than the Le Creuset, I still got enough purchase to maneuver it into the oven without tweaking a tendon. It has a hardy enamel coating and comes with Staub's lifetime warranty. Heavyweight, tight-fitting lid retains moisture. Spikes on the lid create a rainforest effect, evenly returning juices back onto food. Interior black matte enamel finish produces a natural non-stick surface that is more resistant to scratches and chips. Number 3. Lodge EC6D33 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This capacious Dutch oven seared pork well and heated up fast, and I liked the wide handles and large knob on the lid. I was concerned that the sloped sides and rounded bottom edge would trap steam and inhibit browning, but that wasn't the case. While the enamel did chip a little in my durability test, it's not surprising for a Dutch oven that's under $100. A flawless pairing of form and function that doesn't quit. The Lodge Dutch oven not only makes your kitchen look good, but is an enameled cast iron classic great for preparing and serving memorable meals. Broil, braise, bake, or roast your favorite meals in the oven up to 500° F. It is glass that becomes bonded to the cast iron at high temperatures. A particle of glass, called frit, is applied to the cast iron vessel, and then baked at temperatures between 1200 and 1400° Fahrenheit. The glass frit melts and fuses to the cast iron, forming a bond. Number 4. Tramontina 5.5-quart enameled cast iron covered round Dutch oven. At less than $90, this is a decent Dutch oven. While taller and narrower than the Le Creuset and Staub, it still put a good sear on the pork shoulder. Rich enameled finish and versatile shapes offer elegant kitchen-to-table serving. Pre-chilling cookware in the refrigerator keeps foods such as fruit and pasta salads cool during serving. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic glass, and induction cooktops. Oven safe up to 450 Fahrenheit, 232 Celsius, hand wash only. Number 5. Crock-Pot Artisan 5-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This slightly smaller Dutch oven weighs a little over 11 pounds, which is on the featherweight side of the spectrum. After heating up sufficiently, it seared golden brown pork shoulder and fried crispy plantains. I used pot holders and kitchen towels to grasp each Dutch oven's handles, maneuvering the pot from the stove to the oven, and vice versa. I wanted to see if moving the Dutch oven was akin to wrangling a greased watermelon or if I could get a good grip. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.